Hey YouTube, this is Abhishek from Clean Diet Lifestyle. I'm back with another nutritional recipe video, and in this video we're gonna prepare ghee tawa chicken. Yes, you heard it right. So we'll be preparing a dish called ghee tawa chicken, and it's very easy to prepare, delicious at the same time healthy, and it can be prepared in just 5 to 10 minutes. So let's quickly jump into the preparation and we'll start. We need chicken breast, rava, fresh coriander, turmeric, salt, coriander, dhania, red chili and chicken masala powder. Cut the chicken pieces into thin pieces and carefully make some gashes so that marination gets deep into the chicken breast. Do the same for all the pieces. Then it's time to prepare the marination. First goes is lemon juice. You can make use of one full lemon. I'm making use of packed lemon juice, which is easily available at all the supermarkets. Use it accordingly. Add turmeric followed by salt, coriander powder, dhania powder, red chili powder. Use it according to your taste, and finally chicken masala powder. Add 1.5 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. This ginger garlic paste can be easily prepared at home. Please let me know in the comment section if you want a recipe video. Then chop the coriander into fine pieces. Mix the marination well and take it to smooth consistency. So then just drop the chicken breast into the marination and marinate well. Make sure the masala gets into the gashes. Add finely chopped coriander and mix well. This is how it looks when it is marinated. Next is heat up the pan at one side and coat the chicken breast into rava. This step is totally optional, but if did, it adds a beautiful texture to the chicken. Do the same for all the remaining pieces. Fry this in little bit of ghee. This takes the dish to the next level. After 5 to 6 minutes, flip the chicken pieces and let it cook for another 6 minutes. Then check the chicken if it is cooked well. In the meantime, cut the onions, carrot and lemon for garnishing. Then just drop the onions on the pan and fry it till it turns golden brown. Serve this hot and enjoy the delicious ghee tawa chicken. So this is the easy recipe of ghee tawa chicken. Hope you guys have liked it. Do try at your home and let me know in the comment section. So until then, bye.
Please subscribe to my channel and press on bell icon to never miss a video from Clean Diet Lifestyle.